Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Updraft Plus plugin to your third-party drive, like wherever you want to save your backups, like to the other, like OneDrive or Google Drive. Now, Updraft Plus is a backup plugin which regularly, like depending upon how frequently you want to take the backup, like suppose you update your website like weekly, or like there are a lot of updates on your website that keeps adding on, so it's advisable to take the backups as per your requirement, like maybe in a week or 14 days, like that. So but when you are taking backup, the one of the biggest mistake that we do is we take it on the server, like on your hosting server, but we should take the backups on the third party storage devices like the Google Drive or the OneDrive. So in this video I'm going to show you how I have installed the free Updraft plugin, Updraft Plus plugin, and how I'm going to connect it with my Google Drive. It's pretty simple, just 2 minutes. You have to go to the settings, or you can go here at the top. You can see that Updraft Plus is there. You can simply go and click on the settings, or you can go to the settings and then you can select Updraft Plus. So let's go from here, settings, and in the settings you will see that I have this option that I can use any of these to Dropbox, Google Drive to connect my backups. Right now it's not connected, so what I'll do, I'll click here, and once I'll go down, it says Google Drive folder, Updraft Plus is from this name, like it will be created in my Google Drive. And if you want to change it to a custom name, you need to have Updraft Plus premium plan, but I think this will work for you. Now what we have to do is we have to just sign in with the Google. So let's say leave, and then you can select any of your account, and then you can sign in into the Google Drive. So let me try. It will ask you to allow the that Updraft Plus can see, download and create and edit the files on Google Drive. So you have to say allow. I'm already logged in, that's why it's not asking me to log in into my Google Drive, but if you are not logged in, you have to log in. This will complete setup. And that's it, done. So this was pretty simple, and you can simply start creating backups on your Google Drive folder. So if you click on the backup now, it will immediately start taking backup like this, and you have to take the backup for both the database and the files. And go to the settings and select the how you want to take the backup, how you want to schedule the backup. Rather, a manual should not be there. If there is a manual, this means you have to take the backup, like click on the backup now button every time you want to take a backup, but you can schedule it like fortnightly. I have done it, and then I just want to retain the two backups of it, and depending upon how many number of revisions you want to keep on the Google Drive, you can select that, and that's it. Just go down and save the changes. That's it. So let me know if you have any questions, but this gonna really help you and save you in case anything happened to your website. Always create your backups on the third party storage devices. Thank you so much. Have a great day.